Bangladesh is was a part of Pakistan at times, but now it is an individual and a separate country. But it has really progressed a lot, and it has utilized its own resources and worked towards the betterment. And I guess that Pakistan should learn the same from that.
पाकिस्तान के लोग बांग्लादेश के बारे में क्या सोचते हैं, पाकिस्तानियों की राय बांग्लादेश के बारे में कैसी है, व्हाट पाकिस्तानी पीपल थिंक अबाउट बांग्लादेश। शॉकिंग आंसर दिए हैं पाकिस्तानियों ने, और बांग्लादेश को लेकर पाकिस्तानी क्या नजरियात रखते हैं, क्या सोचते हैं, तो आज की वीडियो में देखेंगे। तो वीडियो की तरफ बढ़ने से पहले आप दोस्तों से गुजारिश है, अगर आप चैनल पे नए हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, साथ बने बेल आइकॉन को भी दबाएं ताकि आपको वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन सबसे पहले मिलता रहे। चले वीडियो शुरू करते हैं जी। 1 2 3 गो।
What do you know about Bangladesh?
Bangladesh. Well, Bangladesh was part of Pakistan before 1971. It was called West Pakistan, and this Pakistan was called East Pakistan. And then, due to some unknown reasons, I mean, the reasons are known, but they got separated. It was political disagreement between the two regions, the West and the East. It led to them being Bangladesh now, instead of West Pakistan, and us being only Pakistan. Yeah.
Have you ever met Bangladesh people?
Online, yeah, but not really.
Okay. When you met them online, did you find any similarities by
Well,
speaking with them?
dialect is a little different, but we have very cultural similarities. I have read about it, but since I have not lived with them, eaten with them, so I can't really tell. But yeah, they're nice people.
Bangladesh is a part of Pakistan, but in 1971, due to some political reason, they are just separated from us, and it's sad for our country. But now they are going well.
Do you find any similarities in Bangladeshi culture and Pakistan culture?
Yes, it's almost same, but the difference is of language. They speak Bengali, which is the main reason that they want Pakistan to have a Bengali as a national language. But Pakistan people like now no Pakistan. They will move want to move with Urdu. So one is this is the reason.
Okay,
Yes.
I got it.
And-
What? Okay, yes.
And there are many other reasons because only one thing can't separate you.
Okay.
Their culture is much related to Pakistan, but much different.
Bangladesh. Yes, Bangladesh is where province, Pakistan, and Zulfikar Ali Bhutto, Sindhi, and leave Balochistan. मतलब इधर अलग वही province नॉट क्या बोलते हैं पाकिस्तान में, मतलब पाकिस्तान का सूबा था।
Part of Pakistan, yeah.
And now leave and
Another separate country.
separate.
Not
It's
much.
nice country. Yes,
Okay.
beautiful.
Do you have any Bangladeshi friends?
No,
Never met?
never.
Have you ever traveled to Bangladesh?
No, I haven't
But
yet.
do you know anything about Bangladesh?
Yes, they eat rice a lot and fish as well. Actually, I've been to Dubai and I have tried some of their food, and it was like rice, pulao, and on that there was fish, and they make a sauce that was that was very different taste. That was made of tomatoes, so I just missed that. And overall, they're famous for this rice and fish and stuff because.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Okay, great.
Oh, Bangladesh. Bangladesh is a very nice country. I know about one thing. They made patsan. Patsan is we use for making charpai and all beds. And also there are so many good things about Bangladesh. The people, the culture, the food. So it's a very beautiful country.
Okay. Have you ever met any Bangladeshi person or you traveled there?
Yeah, I met lots of Bangladeshi people, especially last month I met a Bangladeshi vlogger in Lahore. She was traveling around Pakistan, so it was a nice experience. I really enjoyed.
So Bangladesh was a part of Pakistan back then, but then they separated, and I know that they're very good at fishing and they have very good skilled labor as well, and now their currency is more than Pakistani rupee.
Okay, I got it. Have you ever had any Bangladeshi friends?
So
maybe you
once,
talk to
once I
them?
was in some youth leadership workshop where I got to interact with a lot of Bangladeshi and Indians and Pakistanis. So when I met them, I literally felt like they're part of us because wo itni zyada, they're like literally like us. They're not much differences because of the fact that we were together back then. So there are not much differences. It feels like they're part of us.
Bangladesh, it's a neighboring country, but we don't know about much. So
You never met Bangladeshi
No,
people?
no.
What about you?
It's a growing country right now. Trade is going very well there, so it's very good. Bangladesh was a part of Pakistan, like I think 50 years ago, and we can say they are our brothers and sisters over there living. They are, geographically they are apart, but they are living inside our hearts.
Yes.
So that's why I feel love for them, and I pray for them that they must go far.
Okay, thank you so much.
Bangladesh. Not that much about Bangladesh, but yeah, I just see the videos of Bangladesh like vloggers, and I don't know the names, but I see videos of Bangladesh of like vlogging, food vlogging, and traveling. Something.
Okay.
Yeah.
Are there some similar words like in Urdu and the Bengali language, or it's totally different?
Bengali is different from Urdu.
Different, yeah?
Different
Yes,
from
totally
Urdu.
different.
It's a totally different thing from Urdu.
Okay.
I think so. Yeah.
So what about the culture? Bangladeshi culture and Pakistani culture, are they same?
It's not that same. It's like 50-50. There's a culture like Punjabi, Saraiki, or different. Balochi are
Sindhi.
different culture because they wear different clothes we are wearing the Western and Eastern. There are different things in clothing. Yeah.
Okay.
So Bangla and something not that 50-50, not that much, but yeah, it matches
50 or
Bangladesh.
40, not 7.
Bangladesh used to be East Pakistan, but since I think so in 1971 was it we split up. So it's a Muslim country, and we do have good relations with Bangladesh. So inshallah in the future we might have better relationships. I hope so.
Okay, what about you? What do you know about Bangladesh?
Well, same as you said, it's a Muslim country. It used to be East Pakistan, but it unfortunately broke up. So
Have you ever met Bangladeshi people? Bengali?
yes, actually, not in Bangladesh, not even in Pakistan I've met two, but in Australia, where I study, I'm doing masters, I've met a lot of Bangladeshis.
Did you find any common culture with you? Cultural stuff.
They also like watching dramas, like
They also like tea, chai, sabko pasand.
Not much, but they were the part of Pakistan. We are very sad that they are not anymore the part of Pakistan. I hope and wish one day we'll meet together again.
Well, Bangladesh was a part of Pakistan at times, but now it is an individual and a separate country. But it has really progressed a lot, and it has utilized its own resources and worked towards the betterment. And I guess that Pakistan should learn the same from that country and follow the footstep of every progressing country to get back on the right track. That's my opinion.
Okay, great. What about you? Have you ever met maybe Bangladeshi people in your life?
I've never met any Bengali in my life, but I would love to go there to visit the part of Pakistan. I still believe it's a part of Pakistan.
Yeah, it was once, but it is a good country, and we know that its textile sector is very progressive. So we also want that Pakistan follows the same developmental trend and treads on the path of success.
Inshallah, everything is possible. Thank you so much for having your time. Maybe from the history that you studied at school.
Not a lot, but a little bit.
Well, can you say something?
About Bangladesh?
Yes. What do you know from your history subject?
We didn't know anything about, we don't have any whole idea, but yeah, it's a good country, I guess, with good people, good hearts, good food.
Okay.
I guess it's spicy.
Also spicy. Do you like spicy food?
Yep.
Pakistanis love spicy food.
Okay. Have you ever met Bangladesh people?
No.
Not yet.
तो जी व्यूअर, ये थी वीडियो और आपने देखा कि लोगों के दरमियान में ये बात की जा रही है कि बांग्लादेश के बारे में आप क्या सोचते हैं, क्या कहना चाहते हैं। तो पाकिस्तानियों का एक ही कहना है कि 1971 से पहले वो पाकिस्तान का हिस्सा था। उसके बाद जो सियासतदानों की गलतियों की वजह से बांग्लादेश हमसे अलहदा हो गया, और आज के टाइम पे अगर बांग्लादेश को देखा जाए तो पाकिस्तान से बहुत ही ज़्यादा आगे निकल चुका है। बांग्लादेश के बारे में बात करते हुए ये बात की जा रही है कि हमारा कल्चर थोड़ा मिलता जुलता है। जबान का डिफरेंस है लेकिन कल्चर काफी ज्यादा सिमिलर है पाकिस्तान का और बांग्लादेश का। बांग्लादेश के लोग बहुत ही ज्यादा मेहनती हैं, बांग्लादेश के लोग बहुत ही ज्यादा मेहमान नवाज हैं, बांग्लादेश के लोग बहुत ही ज्यादा हार्ड वर्किंग है। यही वजह है कि आज बांग्लादेश पाकिस्तान से आगे निकल चुका है और बांग्लादेश ने पाकिस्तान को बीट कर दिया है हर शोबे में और बांग्लादेश तरक्की करता जा रहा है। तो ये थी आज की वीडियो। आप इस वीडियो के बारे में क्या कहना चाहते हैं जरूर कमेंट करके हमें बताइएगा। बहुत शुक्रिया।